Faye, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so our projects for today begin with the anatomy of the bull shark. And this is by Robert in room 221. Now, these are outstanding illustrations. So, what Robert has done is created a diagram of a bull shark and from two angles. So we are looking down and we're looking at the side, and then he labeled all of the parts of the bull shark. So, for example, the head. I'm sorry. There's two. This is the hammerhead and the bull shark. I was going to say, that that's a hammerhead. Look, and but looking down at the hammerhead, and that's the head. We have the pectoral fin, the dorsal fin. Each of them have a dorsal fin. You can see right here and right here. These are excellent, Robert. Wow, well done. And then we have how does instant snow work and how to make it. So this is a project where, again, we've recycled and used paper wisely. We just taped it together. And this, I'm not sure who it's by. Look at this. Here it is. It's by Chloe in room 103. Again, some fantastic illustrations. And what Chloe does is over here, she puts vocabulary for the words that will appear in this project. So, for example, particles, absorb, and matter. So the reason why she put those words over there is because if you read through the whole project, you will need to know those words in order to understand it. So, for example, the particles of instant snow absorb water. So these little tiny pieces of instant snow absorb water, and that is part of how they wind up looking like snow, because there's a reaction that takes place. And there you go. Super job. And then finally, we have some art. It looks like we have some ants by Declan. And certainly the weather was warm enough yesterday for there to be some ants for sure. And now it's time for our Wordle and mystery number. I got some more responses today. Joey Robertson. I have Liam in 215. Room 208. Manor and Tim, as well as Miss Jalfin's class. Yeah, so this looks a little messy now. So there were two words in this word. So this was a G. So age, that is how old you are. That's your age. And then this word was hour. So we're only missing one letter, third letter of the alphabet. It's a C, a consonant. And so our Wordle was courage. If you said courage, you're right. Now, the reason we chose courage this week is because it takes courage to have a mindset to grow. Because when we are learning something new, it seems like it's challenging or difficult. And it might be. But all we need is a little bit of courage to keep trying until we get it. It also takes courage to make a new friend. Or if you and a friend who have had a problem, for you to work it out, to take a step forward. It takes courage sometimes to admit that you've made a mistake. So courage is part of being a mighty mind. Now, the number was 4. F-O-U-R. Now listen carefully. There's that word, hour, that's also in courage. But it doesn't sound like hour in courage. It sounds like or, courage. And the same thing over here, O-U-R. So we're learning that vowel teams sometimes sound differently. But lots of words have hidden words in them. All right, now it's time for a mighty kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So our mighty kind moment of the day is from Hope Bong, who created this and said, have a wonderful day. Don't forget, of course, to be kind to each other and the earth 100%, but always have a wonderful day. So thank you, Hope. And that's my message every day. Every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.